Alrighty, let's talk about a report that's super powerful, but also quite fun. You guessed it, it's the funnel report. The funnel report is going to allow you to analyze your customer journey stages, conversion rates, and event progression across your campaigns. Now, ultimately, what this is going to look like is visualizing the linear relationships between your selected events, tracking your conversion progression through different stages of the funnel, and ultimately, you're going to be able to assess your associated costs and other key metrics for each funnel stage. So let's take a brief look at what this looks like, how to set it up, and then we're going to talk about why it's important. As always, you can set the date. We're going to be able to choose offer or advertiser level events. Pick a target. This is the offer whose events we want to analyze. Child if we want to see any additional data. Now digging into the meat and potatoes, we actually are able to add the events that we want to analyze and make sure you choose the right order because that's important. Add any filters if we want to filter and click run report. Presto changeo, we have a report that shows the conversions and for each event and how they drop off at each level. So let's talk about actual usability, how we can gain valuable insights from this. So in this case, we see a healthy amount of conversions for our base conversion. We see about a 50% drop off to our second event, and then a pretty good retention rate between these two events. Now, essentially what this is showing us is there's some sort of blocker, some sort of bottleneck between these two events. Maybe in the first event, we're asking for kind of basic information. Maybe it's a name, maybe it's a phone number. And in the second event, we're asking, what's your most embarrassing memory from high school? And people don't really want to answer that. So about 50% of them are leaving. Although I think 50% of people answering is actually pretty good. Essentially, what I'm trying to say is we're able to see that there's some sort of problem, some sort of bottleneck that we can optimize around. Essentially, in like slower months in the summer, this is a great time to go in and analyze your events, make any changes, get rid of any of those drop-offs so we can ideally see those conversion rates like we see here from second to home run. Thank you very much.